What's going on, guys? We're gonna do this. I don't know how many of you hate hooking stuff up, but yeah, I don't like it when it's big batteries, but I've let that one sit for quite some time. And that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. When you let that ground cable, now that my hands are free, you let that ground cable sit over there hooked up like that, and don't do anything to the positive cable right away, you get less of a spark. I let it sit, you guys watched me plug that in, and yeah. Oh my, we're at 13.1, boys and girls. Holy smokes. I guess having both of them green lit really does pay off. Damn it, the door's not locked. Yes, she's got Def Bunts 2.0 all the way around. This used to be an extra cab window, but now it's got a piece of RAV4 hood welded in that I did. And this layer's only got 2 of the kill mat underneath. That's why this will never be a team truck, but at the same time, it's got its loud sound stickers from actual loudsound.ru. Did the grill. Want to do this green, this orange for the Avatar and Machete speakers in here. The XBR 613s, the AL 165Ts. There's my Pioneer sleeping. There's that volt gauge. There's the Crescendo sleeping. 150 amp fuse, certified bass head. 10 amp fuse for the radio. Inside this beast is that Machete Sport V2. So, come in here and say on, turn off tune, tone control, yuck. Should we be nice to the neighbors? Nice to the neighbors. Always. Even though I know that can be 0 and my system can handle it. Alright. Well, have to cut the video here and swap over to the other phone. And there's my ECM to run my truck. The Oxy's still a work in progress. Whatever. Need to get the center console done and it'll look a lot better. So. Bass control. And it does work. I made sure of it. I checked it with the DD1 too. And yeah, when that thing never says clip, dude, you are clipping. So they both pick up the volt ohm meter Man, this S1's fan's so loud. Yeah. That's how you always see me. No bass boost. Low frequency on this amp. Or low pass is all the way down. Because that's way too high. High pass, that's where we should have the crossover set at, is 20 hertz. Or somewhere around there. And there's our gain. And that's under distortion, so. Or I should say below. You can't distort it. Unless you gave this thing just the nastiest signal and then, I don't know. It might send a dirty signal, but it would be underpowered, which might cause a problem. But I would think a full powered dirty signal would cause more of a problem, but that's just me. So, just like when people say, oh, you can't do this. Well, now that I've been working on the helicopter and some more rattles from these doors, yes, I think that looks cool. Just like that. That is way cool. Sub I'm running right there, Machete. It says Alfred Sound Technology, the made in Russia, Jeff Bunch. So, yeah. Talk to y'all later.